What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. I got the blue bike in the back, but we're not gonna jump on that right now. The truck is back there, man. The plates are on it, man. It's time to get that thing clean. I literally have not touched that thing, like cleaned it in a matter of like 3 weeks now, man. So, and you already know how we gonna do. Then after that, I did get the light for the blue bike. Dre's gonna drop off that piece to Antonio today. So I guess he had one, but when he went to look for it, wasn't there. So he's gonna go to Harley for me. They're pretty cheap up there, a few bucks. So just gonna grab that, drop it off at Antonio. Meanwhile, we're gonna be getting the blue bike taken care of, all cleaned up. Gonna take off the bags and everything. Now I was thinking, while I wait, I can literally pop this back on there. Now I know it would look, you know, of course it's broken. Like, it's not gonna look up to par, but it will look better than what it is, for the time being at least. Just a thought, because I do want to get this old broken light out of there. And then I want to throw my new plates on there and have that thing all tidied up until we do get that other blue piece in. But I think I will do that. I don't know. But I definitely want to get this thing cleaned up because it is filthy, man. So without further ado, it is a cleaning day, man. Let's get this thing shined up though, shall we? All right, just pulled up to the car wash, man. We ain't been here in so freaking long, and it's time to get this thing shined up, because when I tell you the dirt on this truck is literally just packed on there, like y'all could barely see it from this angle. But man, this thing ain't shined in so long, and I need this thing looking brand new, because I got my plates so they know it's not a new car no more, man. So gotta shine on these Jones, man. So let's get this thing set up real quick and get this thing clean, man, because I can't do it no more. Alrighty, got this thing all cleaned down, all wiped down. Sheesh, y'all see the shine on that John, dog. Tires and rims looking good. This is the reason I love my Raptor, because when it clean up, it's unbeatable, dog. The way this thing just be looking when it's all murdered out, cleaned up, all the little spots is hidden, I'm just digging it. But I gotta go freaking get this inside cleaned out. Other than that, we should be good with this one, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below right now, baby dog. Just pulled back up to the crib. Thing looking real good. Now it's time to get that bike ready to go, man. So let's put this joint on this jack stand and start getting it all cleaned up. man. We got this thing all shined up. We got that back wheel looking good. If any of you guys who ride know anything about the back wheel, this thing is usually freaking whooped with dirt. Like, it was totally just dirty up. I missed a spot back there, gotta get that. But the frame and everything looks good. It's a few little spots I can go over with like a Clorox sheet just so I can get that white looking even more like bright white. Got some pig spit on the motor, cleaned that up after. So that looks good. Got everything looking really great. We got this front wheel all sorted and cleaned up. Looks really good. I'm digging it. Look at this side, just shines up really nicely. Now I can get into the crevices right in there. But that's just me. Still got a little bit more to do when I look at it like this with you guys. But it is shining up. I can dig it, have to get y'all a little close up now. I really wanted to put this back on there just because like this, it just looks so open. Like when I put the bags on here, this like part is open. Like I'd rather have that covered up. And this actually isn't that bad because like I said, I do got the brand new light in there. So let's try to see what it will look like with that light. So it'll pretty much look like that, which is actually not that bad. It's not that bad. It's noticeable right there, of course, but me personally, I think it looks better than that. And then I'll have that brake light on there. So that's just what I'm thinking. Then I got to snatch this license plate off. And this bracket is loose now that I'm checking it out. So got to tighten that up real quick anyway. So I think we might do that, but guess we'll have to find out, man. Alright, so the problem I'm having with this one working is that this side hangs on, but the light may be a little too heavy. Not really sure if that'll hold up or not, and I kind of want to be safe. Don't want to just thug it out, but I do want to get it on there. So I might freaking put a hole right here and zip tie. Put a hole in this one and zip tie. Like I can't use these. I'm not gonna use these anyway, so I might as well try to see if I can get it to work because I'm out of like zip ties. I already didn't cut the old zip tie, so I'm out of that, and I got one zip tie left. So hopefully this works, and we'll see. Right, we got our first hole there. I know this looks janky, y'all. Now I know it's like I'm just trying to make it work, man. Bear with your boy. Like, come on, dude. Second hole done. Now let's see how this works out, man. Alrighty, we got that thing zip tied in there. Now I could go a step further and go get a more heavy duty zip tie because this one is kind of thin, and I feel like I might do that just to be on the safe side. But we can just turn this on really quick, see if we got some freaking light action or something. I don't think we got any lights back here though. What's the deal? No lights. Got lights up front, but no lights in the back. Okay. We got our brake lights. But the bottom light is not staying on for some odd reason. Nothing from this bottom light. Now, I don't know if this bottom light works or not. It should work, but we might have to take it off again, unfortunately. Man, that's crazy. sense. That one's this one is broken, but it's got the lights working. And this other one looks good, but it's not doing nothing. That's the crazy part, dude. The light we just got off eBay is not working. Doesn't light up, doesn't do anything at all. Now I tried to crack this black piece off to switch this back piece with this, but it's literally no coming off, bro. Like, I tried everything trying to get this thing off, and it just won't come off. Now this light still works with this bike. You can plug this light up and everything will turn on, daylights, everything. You turn this on, you only get your brake lights. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna send this back, go to Harley right now, go get another one of these, throw this on, because I'm gonna need one of these regardless. So I'm not gonna be able to use this no time soon. So we'll send this back, go get a brand new one, and then throw that on and be done with it. Pulling up to the HD. Let's go ahead and get raped, man. Go ahead and go, brother. Hey, slide. They slide, they slide, they slide. Okay. Alrighty. We got what we needed. 130 bucks later, but it's gonna work out. So this is the new daddy. Let's try to see if this works before we get it all bolted up like we did the last one now, shall we? And just like that, y'all, we finally got that little piece on now. When we get it back, we'll pretty much see how it looks. That fender will be rolled up a little bit. Unfortunate, but definitely looks better than it just did, that's for sure. But this one shouldn't be going nowhere, man. So we'll see. We'll see. But I mean, I guess it looked better than it did, man. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below. And just like that, got it back complete. For now, at least. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, well, bro, why did you put that back on there, bro? Like, why? Well, it just looks better with the third light back there. And then I don't believe that's gone anywhere. So, I mean, it'll stay there. It just looks a lot more complete compared to how it just was. So I like that a lot better, my preference. But yeah, man, we might go ride tonight. Waiting for a couple of people to hit me back, so we'll see what's up with that. But in the meantime, we are good to go. We got our new plate on there, so that's a plus, man. I'm digging it. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I got my hands dirty here, man. We've been working on the blue bike, man. I got that the old fender, the bottom half at least, right there where my thumb is, put back on there. That is the original part that the dude hit me and it broke. But I put that back on there just so we can get a more fuller look. I like the look. I don't like the open when it's like a whole gap right there. You guys remember how that looked. But we have to end up getting a new light as well. We ordered one on eBay and it didn't work at all. So I had to go spend like, X amount of dollars to get a new one. But I will be shipping that one back. So we'll be getting our money back. That's just how it goes. But without further ado, the bike is pretty much done for now. We got everything cleaned up today. Just a long day of freaking working and moving and grooving, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace, dog.